Alright, y'all, so I came to Walmart thinking I can get my vaccine card, but apparently they're closed because the pharmacies is like running late or something because of traffic. So I just have to go to my organization, come back and get it, a copy of it when we get back in town. So hey y'all. Neither one of them shy, don't let it fool y'all. But Takari a little bit shy, but he damn sure he ain't shy at all. I have to redo my nails, y'all, because the acrylic I had put on, it looks a mess. So when I get home, I'm going to file the color off, I'm going to paint it, and then just do it regular. I just came back from my orientation. It was pretty good, y'all. It was pretty strange, whatever, but it's hot as hell out here in Texas. Texas heat is a whole different type of heat. Like, when it rains, but right now, it rained like a day ago, and it's hot as hell. Like, y'all know how Texas weather is, and y'all know I'm not over exaggerating or none of that. So my hair was straight, as y'all know. In all my other vlogs, I tell y'all my hair do not stay straight. It's gonna curl back up. I'm gonna look crazy on camera. So do not come for me in the comments because I will cut back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Karma. You already know. I'm vlogging for Memorial Day weekend. We're about to get to my sister's house. I guess and shit and stuff. I was about to put it back for y'all. We ain't doing too much though, so I'm still a little bit tired. I got off at like 10 o'clock this morning, and I did basically a 12-hour shift or whatever at work. So it was straight or whatever, y'all. I didn't have to do too much. I did some stuff, burning my head, so to speak. My forehead is big, so like I said, don't come to me because I look like back. But yeah, we're gonna get this vlog rolling. Alright, y'all, so I'm pretty much on the storeroom right now. I'm about to try to set y'all up so we can go ahead and get to the store. And don't worry about my nails, y'all. Like I said in the previous vlog, I'm taking these ugly shits off. I just want to like give y'all a full day of content since I am not dancing right now. But I am going to be back dancing. Don't quote me. I'm just trying to get my shit together, get my own space, and then I can just do what I need to do fully. A lot of shit has caused me to be set back, but we're not going to talk about that because that's not what I'm on here for. Because right now I feel like I'm going to be back where I need to be. And that's just what's supposed to be. And if y'all are the type of people that don't like to hear a lot of cussing and stuff, go ahead and exit off of this video because it's going to probably be a lot of cussing. I ain't going to hold y'all. It's going to probably be a lot of cussing. But I'm pretty much having a good day so far. My hand hurts bad. I think I broke my pinky. But we about to start back traveling. All my vlogs from now on, here on out, it's not going to always be dance content. There's going to be a little fun stuff. I'm going to start getting out the house door and stuff once I get back, put all the way together. I hate when I be vlogging, y'all. And I'm sure I'm not the only like content creator who feel like this. But folks are dead. Folks who are dead ass look you dead in your face, just dead in your car, and just be staring you off in your face. I don't know. It's just a pet peeve of mine. Like, what is hearing that. Y'all haven't seen nobody vlog at work. But besides that, I don't be really caring. I be out in public and stuff. Like, y'all gonna see throughout this vlog, like, I be out in public. I ain't trying to hide my phone. Don't care if folks feel like I'm talking to myself. Like, I don't be caring. And it's strictly for y'all. So, yeah. But I'm getting my braces soon. So, probably within the next week or like 2 to 3 weeks, I'm gonna be getting my braces put back on. So, I'm ready to do all of that. Sorry if y'all can barely hear me because I got the windows down. It feels good outside. Like, it's not too hot and it's not too cold. Like, it feels good right now. Like, the sun is going down, but it was hot as hell at first. You wouldn't catch me outside with this weather, but yeah. I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I get to the store, because I still got a little ways to go. Not too far, like maybe 5 more minutes to drive, and I don't really got much to talk about. Because like I said in my other vlogs, I really said what I had to say. So, I'll get back with y'all. So we have made it to Kroger. You can go ahead. Alright, y'all, so I'm like 2 minutes away from the house. I think I did pretty good. Not to. Yes. Not gonna stay up on you.
Yeah, bro.